Welcome, adventurers, to another exciting journey. Today we are embarking on a captivating expedition of the rock formations of Kit Mikayi. Nestled in Kisumu County, this very visible gem is a sacred place steeped in rich folklore and natural wonders. So fasten your seatbelts as we dive into this mystical adventure. Kit Mikayi has been designated as one of the places of hope where in seasons of trouble and joy, people have gone to designated sacred places in search of hope, inspiration, and peace.
Everything being safe again, everything for your
We are standing in front of the awe-inspiring Kit Mikayi rock formation. According to local Luo folklore, Kit Mikayi means the stone of the first wife. Legend has it that this remarkable rock formation represents a woman turned to stone, waiting patiently for her husband's return. Let's explore the mysteries that lie within. As we navigate through the labyrinth of rocks, we can't help but marvel at nature's artistry. Every twist and turn reveals breathtaking formations, hidden caves, and serene alcoves. It is a photographer's paradise and a haven for those seeking tranquility.
I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again now, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no, baby you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe. Baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you. See. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Come on, look at me. Every time when I look up at me, come on, look at me. Every time when I look up at me, come on, look at me. Every time when I look up at me, come on, look at me.
This place is not just a natural wonder, but also a sacred site for the local Luo community. It holds great cultural and spiritual significance. People come here to pray, seek blessings, and even make offerings to the spirits believed to reside within the rocks. The spirituality that permeates this place is truly captivating. Visitors often leave offerings of flowers, coins, and other symbolic items as a sign of respect and reverence. It's a beautiful fusion of nature and faith.
From Kilimanjaro, Kiliman, nah, she no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. My little baby come rise with me, my little baby come rise with me. Maria, 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 every time you're looking out for me,
a bit haunting to find grainy black and white photos of various dead luminaries of the Legio Maria sect. They are usually surrounded by burnt out candle wax in various colors, adding to the mystique of the shrine.
Det var första gången vi möttes, våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers, då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby, ja du allians. Du är försiktig baby, men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby, men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby, ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan, varför du med annan? Kom var med mig baby, aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan, jag vill ha min chakarinna. Mosa och säg ingen sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride with you. 100 gubbar klart die for you. Du är så viktig baby, ja du allians. Du är försiktig baby, men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby, men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby, ingen annan.
From the top of Kit Mikayi, we are treated to a breathtaking view of the surrounding landscape. Rolling hills, lush greenery, and Lake Victoria in the distance painting an idyllic picture. This vista reminds us of the immense beauty and diversity that Kenya has to offer.
Vad det finns. Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet att jag min nisch har det. Skön social, smart good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vad du finns, yeah.
It will be remiss of me if I did not address the issue of littering at Kit Mikayi. The National Museum of Kenya needs to think of ways to stop people from accessing Kit Mikayi when they have single-use bottles. This will greatly cut the instances of littering that I saw at Kit Mikayi, where we had a lot of water bottles and yogurt cans that had been thrown around. Nevertheless, kindly, if you're going to visit, please leave Kit Mikayi clean. Do not add any more litter to it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know
you're so convinced, you'll be taken to what the guides claim is a map of the world on one of the large rock faces. See if you can trace a bit of the Kenyan map. What about Africa? And are you convinced this is South America?
You're so fine, I can't get you off my mind, ooh girl, nah, nah.
Thankfully, it is one of the last parts of the tour and will usually involve you nodding yes furiously, lest you're stuck at reading a fading map.
Ooh girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you want me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex.
Kit Mikayi is not just a tourist attraction, it is a place of connection with ancestors and our roots. It is a place where people come to pay homage and find solace. The rock formation is a living testament to our history and spirituality.
Something good inside, set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to.
After your hike, you will enjoy dancing with a local dance troupe made up of widows of the surrounding village. A monetary donation is expected and is dependent on your charitable decision. There is a small, albeit derelict shop and restaurant on site. It is the perfect place to find unique souvenirs and support local artisans. Total cost to visit is 300 Kenya shillings per person and an extra charge of 4,000 Kenya shillings for drone photography, which did not make sense since you can fly your drone off the property and still get your desired shots. This might be something that the National Museums has to think of because it feels like price gouging. As the sun sets over Kit Mikayi, I reflect on the magical journey I've had today. This place has truly captured my heart with its mystical allure, cultural significance, and unparalleled natural beauty. It is a testament to the rich tapestry of Kenya's heritage.
Girl, wanna know your location. What's your location? Had to pull a plug on your ex, now you coming my way out. I can switch it up for you, girl, I'm no longer a player. See that pretty face on my screen, that'll make my day. I'm only looking for loyalty, all I need from you. I'm thinking you'll be the one for me.
And that concludes our adventure of Kit Mikayi. Hopefully you enjoyed this virtual journey and you're inspired to explore this captivating destination in person. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more exciting travel experiences. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the journey. Wherever the road takes you, may it be full of joy.